So here we are at 98%. Now it's dropped down to 16 amps. Let's see what that translates to. It says about 5 kilowatts. And Torque Pro agrees. So the battery is just about full. And you can see that it's going, nearly 6 kilowatts, and 5 of that going into the battery, and that is just about twice what we would get into the battery from level 2 charging. And part of the problem with this car is not only does it have a very slow level 2 charger, 3.3 kilowatts is what it's rated at, it never really gives that. Typically you'll get maybe 2.8 kilowatts, but if you've been on a road trip like I like to do, and you've been DC fast charging often, then the cooling pump, which is right here, will be active, and that will absorb somewhere between 1.5 and 2 kilowatts of the total amount of energy that's coming in from the level 2 source, which means you're getting less than 1 kilowatt into the battery until the cooling system reaches whatever set point it needs to shut itself down. So that lengthens the amount of time that you have to charge at level 2 to get an appreciable amount of energy into the battery. This AC to DC converter, the Setec, eliminates that issue. I haven't yet seen it on a road trip with the cooling pump and the cooling system active, but if you can imagine, if it's putting out around 7 kilowatts or putting 7 into the battery, you take away 1 or 2 of those kilowatts to run the cooling system, you're still getting about 5 kilowatts into the battery. So that hands down trumps the onboard AC charger, and that is a lovely thing. Excellent